This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a PayPal payment gateway in WordPress. We will walk through each essential step, ensuring a smooth and secure integration for your website. You will discover how to enable convenient payment options for your customers, significantly enhancing their shopping experience. This process is straightforward, allowing you to quickly get your online store ready for accepting payments from anywhere in the world. Before we begin, ensure you have a fully functional WordPress website ready for your online store. You will also need a verified PayPal business account, which is crucial for processing customer payments. Many popular e-commerce plugins, like WooCommerce, offer seamless PayPal integration, so make sure your chosen plugin supports this functionality. Having these ready will streamline the setup process considerably. First, access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Here, you will click Add New and search for your chosen e-commerce plugin, for example, WooCommerce. Once found, click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete, which typically takes less than 30 seconds. After installation, remember to click Activate to enable all its powerful e-commerce functionalities, preparing your site for sales. Next, go to your e-commerce plugin settings, usually found under WooCommerce then Settings, and click on the Payments tab. Locate the PayPal option in the list of available payment gateways and toggle it to On. You will then need to enter your PayPal business email address and, in some cases, specific API credentials obtained from your PayPal account, establishing a secure connection between your store and PayPal's payment system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.